2, 1.
Why you wanna go and do that, love, huh?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications for your yell. This video is going to be a little bit different. So today I'm going to be doing some Halloween makeup. So it's like the beginning of October. Halloween is like one of my favorite times of the year. And like, but every time for Halloween, I'm never anything scary. Like I've never ever, in my entire life, like even when I was a kid, I was never anything scary. I always wanted to be like a princess. Last year, I was a hippie. I was a fairy before. Like I was always something like that, but I want to do something really scary and like eerie and weird this year. So I thought, I went to the store. I went to the Halloween store and got a bunch of Halloween makeup, and we are gonna turn it into a vampire, bitch. I'm gonna do a vampire makeup tutorial for Halloween. So I'm gonna try to make myself look like a vampire. I've never done like any kind of like Halloween makeup before. And this is gonna be a mixture of this shit that I got at the Halloween store and some like Sephora shit, okay? First, what I'm gonna do is, I was looking on Pinterest and I think I wanna go for like this type of look. Like, I just like the way that looks. I don't know, I'm just gonna use this as a reference kind of, but I'm just gonna wing it and kind of see how it goes. So the first thing I'm gonna do, so they have like a white like makeup in here. I don't really know what that is, but I'm gonna mix it with this foundation from Smashbox because this foundation is actually lighter than me. So I feel like it'll make me look kind of like pale. So I'm gonna start off by just taking some of this. Not as pale as I want it to be. So, I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. I'm already a pasty bitch. Like, look at me. So let me just mix it with some of this stuff here. Okay, so I think we got it. I don't know if it shows up that well on camera, but like when I look in the mirror, I'm like mad pasty. Like I'm pale as fuck. So I feel like it doesn't I feel like it doesn't show as good on camera, but in person, I'm really literally like. Okay, so what should we do next? I think I'm gonna do some eyebrows. Very dark, very chunky looking eyebrows. Now I'm going to take some red and do something. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to take a little bit of this red. This is from the, Halloween kit from the makeup store. I'm going to take some red. And we'll just go around. It's actually not bad. Ooh, wow. That's really like bright and cute almost. Like, so I'm getting excited now. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit more and like go on my lash line. So let's see how that looks. It's coming together already, I feel like. Let's gotta wait till it's dry. But I guess if it leaks a little bit because it's not dry, and that's okay because we're gonna go below that anyway, I feel like, with her, because she's got a lot of shit going on in this picture. I don't know if you can see too well. I'm gonna start using some of this black. The purple is just really similar to the red or like the pink. It's not even red, it's like pink. But I'm gonna see if the black shows up a little bit so we can kind of make it a little darker, like a little bit more goth. A little bit more scary. I don't even know where to put this. Let's see. I'm kind of just at this point just smearing everything around because this chick's makeup is like all smeary, so I'm just trying to get that type of look. I'm just going like winging it, so that's why I'm really not saying too much because I'm just like winging it. Okay, I kind of feel like it's coming together. It's coming together. This wasn't working on my eyelids, so I went and bust out my MAC Boy. This is MAC. This is a little mini holiday palette that I've had for a while. And I'm just gonna take some of this black and kind of make me some dark eyeliner. So I'm just adding a little bit of this Revolution banana powder all over, like just around, not under my eyes, just to make myself look a little bit more pale. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, I think I did a pretty good job. This is how this bitch looks. Like, I might look even better. It was actually super easy to create. Like, just don't think too much about doing the makeup. Just put dark makeup on and smear it around. Add some lashes, some fangs, and some vampy lipstick. And you're good to go. It's not even that hard. And you know what? I will definitely reconsider redoing this look for Halloween if I decide to go anywhere. But I would love to be something scary, something horrific. Bitch, bite the shit out of you. This is so dope. Like, I just feel like it's really dope. Like, I just never been anything scary before. And I think it's kind of sexy too, you know, like, I want to suck your blood. Anyways, though, thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up if you would let me suck your blood. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.